इतले आमी प्रेशर हाडून आतां एटलिस्ट तरी आमकां मातशें आमच्या गांवांत शांती मेवल्या. आतां एटलिस्ट मातशी आमकां बट आमी आतां खबर ना आमी जेन्ना घरा वयतली की परत चालू जातली की ना ते. आतां 10 जावन ऑलमोस्ट 15 मिनटां जाली. फोग मारता कोण खंयच्या क्लबांतलो आतां आमकां समजना. ते ह्यो फोगाचो लागूनूच आवाज पळय कितलो जाता तो.
आणि हो लोक आता इतलो येता तो कित्याक लागून येता? तांकां पार्ट्यो ना कितेंच ना जाल्यार हे लोक येता तो कित्याक? ही ट्रॅफिक कित्याक येता? इतलो लोक खंय येता हो? जस्ट रेस्टॉरंटान जेवपाक?
That exactly is the problem when there's this question of noise pollution. It isn't only the noise and the music that's going on, but it's all this traffic that comes through. And all the people who are wandering around who have had too much to drink. All of this affects the environment here. So everybody must think that although the music is off right now, just look at the state of the traffic. There's hardly a possibility of traffic to be moving smoothly here. And all of this is also part of this noise pollution.
Can you tell us that yet tourists you oppose कर रहे हो कि sound pollution हम oppose?
Yeah, just against the sound,
Okay, so we are
not
against
against the music.
sound.
The decibel should be there, no? 45 decibel after 10 p.m. and 55 decibel before.
For tourists,
We are not against. Tomorrow we also get the tourists other place. They don't harass us like this. And
आता जेव्हा तुम्ही प्रोटेस्ट काढलो पोलीस स्टेशनपर्यंत, सो आता सिच्युएशन कशें आहा सर?
Look at the situation. This is jammed over here. Okay, we have an ER, an emergency on this side of the road. Do you think an ambulance or that person will survive? Isn't the government thinking all this? Look at all the people coming over here. We've left everything at home. You think we are free? Yeah, Mrs. Delilah Lobo came to the police station on the 14th, telling she's going to have a meeting with the government regarding a club policy. She's so into it. Yeah, why do we need? For whom are you supporting?
We don't want
We don't want.
clubs. We don't want any clubs.
And we don't want club owners to be benefited. And again, this damn thing is going to fall on our heads, everybody's heads.
These clubs are only for the politicians to have their clubs and play party.
Yeah, if she wants to have.
She has not taken any consent from us कि हमका clubs है म्हणून. नाका हमका clubs नाका. We are tired. We don't want anything this kind of thing.
We don't want. Actually, we're supposed to come here to show which clubs are open, because they have told us, these clubs will be shut down if they don't have a sound monitoring system. But now they have already got the message that we're coming over here, and you can see the entire thing is already shut down. So the
This
message
is only here, but there are some clubs in Anjuna and in Shapura also. They are being playing blatantly right now. This is the situation.
because they know that we are coming here, they shut down it. They open around 1 o'clock. Yesterday it happened that we were here till 12 o'clock on the police station. The clubs were all shut. But after 1 o'clock, all started again. When we went to the police and we told him, we sent him to go and check. He came after 1.5 hours, and he's saying it was the sound of the generator. When we showed him the evidence that the music is being played, he's telling, no, it is the sound of the generator.
So it will be repeated again.
It will be repeated again. The minute we leave from here, they will all start again.
तुम्ही किती करता?
We will definitely decide, but we're not going to give up. Okay, because this protest will be continued. Let's see. I have to speak to the others. I cannot say it.
But तुम्ही yesterday it was till after 1 o'clock the music has been played.
Yesterday, yes,
But
we started.
now till 1 o'clock will be here or?
Let's see. We will do our own thing, whatever we can. But the thing is, what the music starts again very late at 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m. And just imagine us as women going around to take all these things.
the lights were on at the venue. The ticketing counters, when all of us gathered here, the lights went off. And while we were gathering here, we just want to put this on camera. We were just, some of our residents, some of the people who belong to this Komidat just wanted to park their vehicles in front of RIDE. By mistake, I don't know, there was some altercation. The media was also harmed. Okay, the media was, somebody raised their voices. It was a very bad scenario. This is only because they wanted to park their vehicles there. And the organizers of RIDE are saying that we are targeting them. We want to make one thing clear, we are not targeting anyone. We are only here to stop the music.
MLA येऊन त्या दिवसा प्रॉमिस केला आणि म्युझिक असची ना म्हणून बंद जातली म्हणून आणि ते आता आम्ही राती आमकां पत्ते PI ने इन्शुरन्स दिले की म्युझिकांनी असची ना म्हणून पण आयज पोती वाजयतात पण ती कितली डेसिमलाक वाजयत 10 पयली कितले डेसिमलाक वाजयतात ते उलयत ना
इतली लावड आसता की आमकां आयकोंक कांयच भुरग्यांक लिसांव करूंक जायना, जाणट्यांक तांकां न्हिदोंक जायना. म्हणून आमी आयज म्हणलें पोतून आनी रातीक जेन्ना आमी घरा गेली आमकां आश्वासन दिवन आमी घरा गेल्या उपरांत एकाक पोतून चालू केली आनी आमी सकाळची 4:30 पासून पुलीस स्टेशनार आसली. आमकां एटेंड करतलो PSI सांगता तो जनरेटराचो आवाज म्हणून, म्युझिकाचो न्ही म्हणून.
ओके. मागीर आतां म्हाका सांग आयज तुमी प्रोटेस्ट केला थंयसर तुमच्या वांगडा MLA लायज MLA कित्याक ना?
आता ती कित्याक येना ती आमकां खबर ना, पण ती आमच्या बरोबर आसूंक जाल्ली आयज जेन्ना तिका कळला तेन्ना.
The time is 11:30, I think so. 11:45, and we are very thankful for all the people and to the media who has come, who has partaken in this march of ours, in this fight for proper sleep, in this fight for constitutional rights. We are very thankful to the media for having followed us from the venue to the police station, back to the venue and back here. Thank you firstly wholeheartedly for covering this issue. I think they deserve a big round of applause. Thank you to each and every one of you. Finally, the solution what the DYSP Mr. Chodankar sir has given us is that today he is asking us to trust him and assuring us that he has the licenses of 13 venues which he will provide to us at his office. We will be heading there. He has asked us to initiate questions against other departments like the Panchayat and whatever the MLA, whoever is coming to resolve our issues, which we will do that because we cannot keep blaming the police itself. They are limited with their resources, we understand. But we are asking a very simple question at wee hours of the morning, it is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whom do we reach out to? Whom do we ask, sir, we have a problem, please resolve our problem? The police has said that they will always be there, but they said their hands are tied. They do not have certain faculties to pick up the equipment or to do anything that will grant us sleep. Even the monitoring issue, the noise monitoring station issue was raised, and the DYSP was also informed that according to the clause 4 of once they get the license, before they start operating, they have to install the noise monitoring system. Now the corrigendum that was asked for today from the GSPCB, we have not heard back from them. So as it is, the situation in Anjuna and Bagator is such as you all continue to face problems. We do not care about your problems. We will take stand only when it is reached to such a state that all the people have to come here. So we honestly ask whoever it is, whether it is whoever can help us, whether it is we do not want to make this a political issue. This is a health issue, this is a sleep issue. So whether it is the CM's office, whether it is the MLA's office, whether it is the Panchayat, whether it is the GSPCB or any other authority body involved, we just want help. We are asking you all with pleated hands, please help us. Please help us get a good night's sleep. That's all we are asking for. And we hope that we don't have to come again tomorrow, because if we have to, we will definitely come. But one thing I want to state this on the camera is that today when we went to the venues, I have realized that it is not safe, because I went to solve an altercation. I was caught in between, and we have women with us, we have elderly people with us. We cannot put them in the throes of these dangers. We cannot allow that to happen. So we will have our protest, but if needed to come here, we will come and wait only at the police station, because I hope, according to what DYSP sir has said and PI Paresh sir has said, this is the safest place. We hope that sir has said he has already booked 4 cases in the past 10 days, and we have to book more cases. We hope sir continues with that.